My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Hi guys, in a speed test between the S22 Ultra and the iPhone 13 Pro Max, the S22 Ultra lost by just 2 seconds, which means the benchmark scores aren't really all that important. And Samsung is foolishly getting rid of the chargers in the box of its budget devices. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get daily tech updates. And drop a like if you enjoyed this video. So Phone Buff did a speed test between the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I think his style of speed test is the best on YouTube. But the S22 Ultra performed really well and almost beat the iPhone. It only lost by about 2 seconds, which is the closest any phone has gotten to the iPhone's performance. And considering how powerful the A15 is, it just shows how much powerful the 8 Gen 1 is over its previous generation, especially in the GPU department. It also means that the gaming phones that are more powerful will most likely dethrone the iPhone. Now, Samsung foolishly followed Apple's footsteps and took out the chargers from its flagship devices. And that was hypocritical because they already mocked Apple for taking out the chargers from their iPhones. Now, it was kind of understandable because if you're gonna spend that much on a flagship, then you might as well spend a little more to get the charger. But that is not the case for mid-range and budget devices. People buy those so they don't have to spend too much on a phone. And Samsung provided a charger in the box of all its mid-range and budget devices last year because it makes sense for people buying those devices to get a charger in the box. But this year, Samsung has decided to take out the charger from all its budget and mid-range devices, which I think is a really stupid move. So the upcoming A73 and A53 and all other A-series devices are not gonna have a charger in the box, and all variants of the budget F and M series are also not gonna have chargers in their box. And that is a really stupid move for the budget smartphone market, and I'm afraid this might shoot Samsung in the foot real bad because the competition from Xiaomi and Realme are still providing chargers in the box of their flagships, let alone their budget and mid-range devices. So I think this is gonna really affect the sales of the A series, M series and F series devices, and I hope it does so Samsung can learn not to make stupid moves like this. Anyway, I'm gonna cover the Galaxy A73, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. And drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.